Hello again viewers, this is a bit random. We're in Lanzarote, Puerto Del Carmen, just walking up side streets seeing what I can find. I'll show you some apartments you might find in booking.com and all the other places. You might be wondering where they are they near the promenade? I'm going to show you them. Some of them we can't get in because they're gated communities. That's no problem, that's fine. I can still show you outside and where they're located, and we'll pass by a few bars and restaurants near the end. Let's go. Okay, so we're just under 10 minutes away from the main promenade and strip. That is the Panama, I think it's called, apartments. Don't know if they're private or not. I've never seen these for sale. Anybody in the comments can let me know. I've never heard of them. Let's take a wee walk. We'll pass by some other ones as well. It's quiet this area, but we're only literally just a couple of minutes off the main promenade, but it is quiet up here. It's more of a residential feel to it. That is at La Pinita, Lanzarote. Unfortunately, can't get in. Let's see if I can show you a wee bit. Whoa! There's a pool. Stood in a wee pillar. There's a plane just flying over and you can see it. Quite close to the airport here. So let's go round the corner. Anybody know anything about those apartments? Again, I've never seen those for sale. They have got a sign basically saying residents only. So can't go in there, I'm afraid. Let's take a wee walk round here, but we'll see what we find. We're going to pass a couple of pubs, including I think the Mucky Duck, some other places. Round the corner, we've got the San Francisco Park. Check this out, they've got tennis courts here. I don't know why they've still got all the kind of wet puddles on them, because it was raining a couple of nights ago, but I thought that would have went away by now. The weather's beautiful here today. I think in one of the chemists, the pharmacy I passed by, it was showing 29 degrees. I was speaking to my friend David and we agreed that it wasn't 29, maybe more like 25. Either way, it's beautiful. Middle of December. And this temperature, cannot beat it. Here's another place, San Francisco Park. They've got a website, sanfranciscopark.com. Again, probably can book them through TripAdvisor and all these other places. Don't know if I'll be able to show you inside. Again, I don't think you can get in these ones either. Swimming pool is over there. They've got a wee boutique next to it as well. So you see, residents only. Pool. Oh, hold on. I won't go right in, viewers, okay? Just show you a wee bit. So, swimming pool down there looks quite nice. Probably got a wee pool bar. I'm not going to go any further. Just showing you where it's located anyway. You did see a wee bit of the pool, I suppose. Oh. So, we've got a few bars and restaurants coming up. This is getting filmed. I think it's just after 12, maybe past that. Some of these places won't be open yet. This place is busy at night, but because I have passed it my last trip. There's another apartments, Luz Del Mar. Again, don't think I'm going to show you them, but I'm showing you the location of them. Watch till the end and I'll walk right out on the promenade. All these apartments are within 5-minute walk of the promenade. So that is the Mucky Duck, quite a well-known pub here. And hopefully I'm going to get to Las Vegas soon. That's Las Vegas. Again, another kind of residential place. So Mucky Duck, home cooked food, fish and chips, Wi-Fi, jugs of sangria and Sunday roast as well. That'll be open later on, but very, very busy tonight. This is getting filmed on the day that England are due to play in the World Cup quarter final, so I'm sure that'll be busy later on. Okay, do all sorts here. Gammon steaks, doner kebabs, deluxe burgers. Okay viewers, now you're going to start to recognise some places when we go around here. It's a quiet location, but it's amazing how close it is to the promenade. We're right at the end of the promenade or the start, depending on what way you can judge it. But we're very, very close to the promenade. Now I'm going to go left. I'm going to do a big long walk all the way down to is it Poscalis? Not quite sure how you pronounce it. Anyway, I'm heading down that way anyway. supermarket near you as well if you're staying in those apartments. Rooftop pool up there. Don't know if we're going to make it up there, we'll see viewers. Looks beautiful in there, doesn't it? Met a couple of viewers who had a hot tub up there. I think they said for 2 hours it was about 80 odd euros. I think you get a couple of cocktails included. Loved it. And they requested a hot tub in a certain location. It's the best location overlooking the sea. They didn't give them that one, so the wee gesture of goodwill, they gave them an extra hour in the hot tub. So they're quite happy with that, I think. Lovely to meet you, Tracy and Paul from Kirkintilloch, near Glasgow. Okay, so further down that way is my apartments, but I'm not heading down there just now. And if we head up this way, you can head up to Spoons. You'd have seen the bad news video, it's now €1.50 instead of €1 for a beer between I think 12 and 6. Be careful on the cycle lanes, there's lots of people on e-scooters and cycles, very very popular for cyclists. I've never seen so many people on bikes in any place I've been, very very popular. Now this is a spot, isn't it? Hope you've watched to the end. We'll go down viewers. Not been down this bit. Lanny's. Oh. Oh, look at this viewers. Reminds me of the other ones at Cafe La Ola, down to the right. Beautiful setting. I think you can beat this setting really, can you? Look at this. What a spot. Check this out viewers. Here's my table here. Amazing. People enjoying the sun. Wee variety, seen a couple of apartments, now you've seen a beautiful restaurant setting overlooking the sea. Absolutely amazing. What a day in Lanzarote. Beautiful, eh? Everybody's smiling, why not? Let's head back up yours. If you're new to the channel, do me a wee favour, if you're enjoying the Lanzarote videos, and I hope you are, give it a wee subscribe there, it's absolutely free, does not cost a penny. If you hit the bell for notifications, you get a wee message for upload new videos. I do videos all over the place, started in Tenerife, been to a lot of different places, check out the playlist on the channel. You've got Tenerife, Lanzarote, Fuerteventura, Gran Canaria, Costa del Sol, Benidorm, Ibiza, Mallorca, the Algarve. Have I missed anywhere? Don't know. Bit of a steep hill on the way back up, mind you. Check it out viewers, up the top. That's where I'm heading. Let's see if I make it. Very very nice in there, eh? Beautiful. Thanks for watching viewers, I really appreciate all your support. And it's goodbye from beautiful Lanzarote. We're waiting to check out the rooftop bar. I'll let you know how it got on viewers.